All right, we got Shop Dog out here today. She is watching our new Navimow. I call it the Mowbot. It is by Segway, and it is honestly way more awesome than I thought it was going to be when I bought it, expecting it to be awesome. You can see that it has cut some diagonal lines in the grass from the last time it mowed, and each time it mows, it changes its pattern, or you can set it up to be the same if you want. Now it is mowing essentially left and right in the yard, so each time it's good for the grass because it mows it in a different direction. So you can see the horizontal lines that it is doing this time. Everything looks nice and pretty. I just mapped out the yard when I got it, and I can make things like this an off limit zone, so it won't go there. Make this an off limit zone. It mows right around it. You can see the circle that it mowed around it already. Now, I don't really have any really big hills in my yard, but it can go up to a 40-degree angle mowing. So I don't know, this is 15, I don't know, but yeah, no problems at all. And it's got some crazy zero turn wheels on it. My neighbor had one of these things. I thought it was super cool. His was mowing around at night with headlights on, and I decided that I wanted to give it a try. So they have a 30-day risk-free trial, I guess. I mean, you pay for it. If you don't like it in 30 days, you send it back. I used his referral link, and I got 5% off, which is $150 if you buy the $3,000 version. That's the one I got. They have a $2,500 version. But I'll give you my link down here in the description. If you want to buy one of these things, you can save 5% on it. And yeah, I really think this thing is great. I've had it for a few weeks now. Haven't mowed the yard since. I just have this thing out here I do it, schedule it for twice a week. So there's a ton of really cool features. Lots of really good setup and install videos, so I'm not going to make one of those, but just wanted to let you know, if you don't want to mow your yard anymore, this thing is awesome. It's got a little charging station back here that it lives in. You just plug it into an outlet around the side of my house there, and it just automatically comes back and redocks and charges itself. I can just sit out here all day and watch this thing do its job. It is so cool. And when I'm not here, there is a mobile app that you can sit and watch it in real time mow your yard and show you what part has been done and how much is left to go.